Chicken sticky rice and lotus leaf is a classic Cantonese dim sum dish. All the mouth-watering ingredients are wrapped in lotus leaf and steamed until fragrant. Hello my foodies, I'm so happy to see you again. It's me, CiCi, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that you absolutely cannot miss. Chicken sticky rice and lotus leaf. It is said that chicken sticky rice and lotus leaf was born in the night market of Guangzhou before the 1950s. So originally the rice and the filling were packed in a bowl and then steamed. And later the hawkers packed the rice and the fillings in lotus leaves for the convenience in carrying them around. It was truly a game changer because first it added the floral fragrance of the lotus leaves to sticky rice and the filling. And second, the portion of the sticky rice is no longer limited to the size of the bowl. So on top of the chicken as the filling, the vendors start adding more savory ingredients. Now let's transfer the soaked sticky rice in the pot of a rice cooker. Then add water in the pot to the same level as the sticky rice. Put it in a rice cooker. Use the setting for rice and cook. In the meantime, let's marinate the chicken with the marinades. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. To make the sauce, add all the seasonings and mix well. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the lachang, dry shrimps, shiitake mushrooms, and stir fry on low heat until the aroma comes out for about 1 minute. Put aside. Now in the same wok, we're gonna add another tablespoon of oil in it. Add the minced garlic and marinate chicken. And cook over high heat until medium well for about 3 minutes. Transfer in the cooked lachang, dry shrimp, and shiitake mushrooms. Now put in half of the sauce, mix well. Take them out and put aside. Now after the rice is done, we're gonna add another half of the sauce inside, combine until the rice is colored evenly. Okay, I think this pot is a little too small. Let's switch to a bigger bowl. Place a lotus leaf on a flat surface. Pat dry with paper towel. Place another lotus leaf over. Dry with paper towel. Place half cup of sticky rice in the center and create a rectangular shape. Then place 2 tablespoons of filling on the rice. Add another half cup of rice over the filling. To fold the lotus leaf into a pocket, first fold the bottom of the lotus leaf upward. Fold the left side inward. Then fold the right side inward. Roll it up until it becomes a pocket. Do the same with the rest. Now boil water in a pot, add a steamer in the pot. Put the pockets on the steamer, cover the lid and steam on high heat for 1 hour. So now we want to watch the water level as you cook. Add more boiling water if needed. There are so many ways to make sticky rice, anything from sweet to savory to anything in between. Which way is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. And for more recipes that is made out of sticky rice, check out my website. I have done a lot in the past. So for example, there's the delicious 烧麦 sticky rice. There is 粽子. There is 元宵 that is made out of sticky rice powder. They're all so delicious. Okay, so remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. Bye!